Hello mamas, welcome to my channel. Let's make this yummy delicious moi-moi. To make moi-moi, you have to undergo these 4 stages. The first, the preparation, the grinding, the assembling, and the cooking. Okay, let's start with the first stage, which is the processing. This is the meat, seasoned and steamed. Same apply to fish. I have already processed my beans earlier. If you've not seen my video on the easiest method to wash your beans for moi-moi and akara, you can watch it after this video. The 2 peppers I used, the Tatashi and the Atarodo. If you want a video on how to process the pepper, kindly comment and I will do just that. In a dry pan or pot, add your oil followed by onion. Fry the onion until it gets pale. Then you add your Tatashi and the Atarodo pepper. Fry until the oil starts dancing on top of the sauce. Once the oil starts dancing on top of the sauce, you bring it down. Your sauce is ready. We move to the second stage, which is the grinding. And after you might have finished preparing all your ingredients, it's now time to grind your beans. If you don't have blender, you can take it to the mill to grind. Just make sure you observe the safety measures by telling them to wash their engine in order not to introduce microorganisms to your food. I added 1.5 bulb of onion to the last batch of my grinding. Onion has this unique flavor that it adds to moi-moi. I want to use this medium to say a very big thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for all the support, and if you're coming across this channel for the first time and it's your area of interest, kindly support us by subscribing. We move to the third stage, which is the assembling. That is the pepper sauce, the fish, the crayfish, the stock cube, the salt. We start by giving our beans paste a good stir. We'll mix it to obtain a uniform mixture. After mixing, we add our pepper sauce and give it a good stir. We stir very well, turn it to obtain a uniform mixture. You wouldn't like after making your moi-moi, one will be white and the other will be colored. So you stir it very well to mix very well. After mixing, you add your fish and fish. Stir. Then you add the stock together with the shredded meat and stir very well. Stir and add your seasoning cubes followed by the salt. Then you give it a good stir. Stir very well. You taste to adjust. Then pour in a moi-moi plate. You can use foil or moi-moi leaf in place of moi-moi plate. If you want me to do a video on how to wrap a moi-moi leaf, you comment in the comment section. If you have watched to this extent and you've not liked this video, What are you waiting for? Kindly give me that thumbs up so that YouTube algorithm will push this video forward to reach to so many mamas that will be needing this video. We move to the last stage, which is the cooking. Moi-moi is cooked by steaming. So you add just a little water in the pot. You place your moi-moi plate inside the pot and cover very well so that the steam won't escape, and cook for 20 minutes. It's ready if your fork comes out clean after dipping inside. You can pair with pap for breakfast, with jollof rice or fried rice for lunch. You can take it with juice, even with gari, my perfect combo. Thanks Emil for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.